Ceracoat ceramic is easy to use and adheres quickly on the engine. Due to the ceramic, it reduces wear, consumption, gas emissions. Ceracoat ceramic, the protection of your engine. Ceracoat ceramic speed engine cleaner is easy to use. It cleans the entire fuel system extremely quick, eliminates dirt deposits, and your engine is as good as new. Ceracoat ceramic speed engine cleaner, the cleaner for your engine. Ceracoat ceramic, originally used in space technology, is a new and revolutionary ceramic coating for engines and gears for the highest demands. Ceracoat ceramic, Formula One technology to serve your engine. Ceracoat ceramic, the protection for your engine. Ceracoat ceramic, the ceramic coating for engines and gears based on ceramic. Ceracoat ceramic is directly added to the engine oil. The ceramic particles adhere to the metal parts of your engine by building a coating and so reduces friction. Optimal protection until 1,100 degrees. Ceracoat ceramic improves the power of your engine. Ceracoat ceramic is efficient for more than 30,000 miles. Ceracoat ceramic improves cold starts and reduces fuel consumption. Ceracoat ceramic reduces exhaust gas emissions. Do you want to protect your oil or your engine? Ceracoat ceramic is not just another additive, but a real ceramic coating for engines and gears. Ceracoat ceramic offers you a new engine. Ceracoat ceramic, the real ceramic coating for engines and gears. And for extremely dirty engines, we recommend to flush the engine with Ceracoat ceramic speed engine cleaner before coating it with Ceracoat ceramic engine coating.